Hi guys, this is Wilkie and I'm a stay-at-home dad. Morning guys, no, ako ang napalit sa Shopee. I got this today. It's June 6 and I got this from Shopee. I ordered this a few days back. So I invested in lighting. So I hope this is good. This is a good product. These LED lights. Okay. We got this LED lights for makeup daw ni siya. And we have two stands that is together with the light. So first, we have to reveal the stand. If there's any defects on the stand, no? Whoa! So it's a stand. You can do that. You can do this. Money ang free guys, nila free. So it's a stable stand, I think. Let's see the other stand. So it's pretty much stable. You have to be like put it on the center to be stable yet, no? So we have two stands, which is really great. And then let's see the light. So yung nani iyang stand ay yung light. Baho og sunog guys. Let's test it out first para makita sa seller kung working ba gid ang iyang light, no? So let's see. I-on. It works. Naa siya gamay nga guba diri guys, oh. Crack. And let's see if mo gana ba ang iyang remote. May gani nga nani battery nga padala. So, hindi na ka magkuwat-kuwat pa. Hindi, diretso na. Asa man ni? Dili. Op. Mao ni ang iyahang tip, off, on, light. Ano ni city selection. Lahi of lighting. Okay, I think this works fine. Let's test the other one. Seller ha, naay kuan seller. The product is broken over here at the edge. Broken siya seller, oh. Mura siya dili brand new seller. So let's open the second box. I hope wala ni siya na buak gihapon seller, no? Okay, buak di agad to ang first. Mura naman ni inablihan seller, eh. There you go seller. Oh. Wala na. This is the remote. Buak gihapon seller. Ani gini siya. Buak gihapon diri, oh. Ang buang. I will test this out. Kaning imuhang buak. gihatag nimo nga kani kay okay naman siya nga wire. So kanina pod i-on na to. Working ra siya. Working. Let's see. Kaning remote nga ay mabagyapon. So far working ra siya seller no. So naa lang gid siya buak seller. It's broken. May crack siya dito sa I will just Tagalog it ha. May crack siya dito sa bottom part ng case. Okay lang ba yan? This costs around 900 each. Para sa akin seller, hindi to okay. Kasi may crack sa ilalim, sa baba. I'll test the remote control guys. The other remote control. If it works. Works. Thanks seller. So this is what it looks like. Okay, on na to. So eventually it's a good lighting your anything like a product or a shoot. It's a good light. Paitera seller, paitera. Tubangan nyo do.